Uh, Hello guys. It's been a while since I've done any practicing. I'm producing 3 different things right now in my film life, so there's a lot going on. I haven't really been like trading at all. Even though I can do them quickly, my head has just been like elsewhere. And you're never really on off the clock. And producing one thing is already hard enough, and I'm doing three. So I'm still holding on from episode 10, 9 and 10. Still holding on to American Express. It's been like, oh no, it's been like kind of all over the place and honestly not really like worth it. Um and to be honest, I don't know, I guess I probably should have like cut it so I could put money elsewhere to be making me money, but I don't know. It's still like within my parameters, so I think I'm gonna have to reassess it soon. But right now it's like going up, and I might have to readjust this trade so that I can just like put my money to better use. But for right now, I'm still holding on to that, and then I am holding on to Dow right now, Dow Incorporated. It's uh, the lows are getting higher, and it just seemed like a good buy. Think about it yesterday or something. Anyways, that's just what like I'm up to. Nothing else at the moment. I've been looking at other things, but nothing else is really like really stuck out to me. But so I figured out a new way to be more random. I'm just gonna use I've assembled this list of like this list of stocks is like from this list, and ETFs are in here too. And then years, months, days up to 28, and then time. And then I'm going to put it into, I've already preloaded it into this online Giga calculator, and I'm just gonna go through it, and that's how I'm gonna be random from now on. I think that's better. I'm doing the years 2022 to 2023 because those are the only years that TradingView keeps 15-minute chart info. I want to start trading on the 15-minute charts because I think that is a short enough time frame to actually get me to like a 15 to 20% gain a month. If not, we'll figure it out. I'll go shorter, I guess, maybe. I don't like to go too short because then things like or too I don't like to, let me rephrase that. I don't like to go on a chart on like a 5-minute chart or 3-minute chart because things start changing. Like the volatility really like becomes really hard to like predict, and then there's a certain point where you're kind of just like gambling, and I'm all about trading, not gambling. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So let's pick something real quick, randomize. I'm just gonna pick the top one, Roblox. Roblox is actually pretty good. So Roblox, um 2022 February. Oh wait, did I do this twice? Oh, I did the month twice. Okay, so February 22nd and 3 p.m. All right, so I'm gonna bring this over here, and Roblox. Where is Roblox? Roblox. It's, oh, there it is. Okay, Roblox. Oh wait, and I can do, you know what I'm gonna do? Okay, I'm gonna put it in a super high, like I don't even know what's going on here, and then uh replay. I'm gonna put in the date. So it was 22 February 22. 22 February 22 at 3 at 3. I can't put in the time. All right, that's fine, I guess. Oh, well. Uh Wait, that's not. Okay, there we go. Go to. And then I'm gonna cut that. So now I'm there, and then now I'm gonna go down to the 15-minute time frame, and boosh, boom, super random. There we go. I knew I'd figure it out one day. I like it. I'm excited. Okay, so here we go. Good old fashioned analysis. To be honest, let's take a look at Roblox's financials. Because like Roblox is Roblox. But their APS is interesting. And then that's good, that's good, that's okay, that's okay. I mean, that's good. And this is could be better. This would explain actually. I don't know. I've seen worse with bigger companies. As long as like all these aren't like inverted, like this is down, this is down, this is up, this is down, this is down, this is down, this is up. As long as like it's not that case, then it's probably fine. So 15 minutes, Roblox. Let's go back to this. So that was a little bit of like fundamental analysis, like a tiny, tiny bit. I traded on such a short time frame that like I don't really like think about it too hard. Okay, so now that I've slapped those support and resistances, it just broke this and that broke that. So the highs are getting higher and the lows are getting higher, with the exception of this one. Kinda. It's kind of an outlier, sort of. Um hmm. Okay, let's look at some sizes here. Something like this. 2.8. 3. Let's say 6.8 and 2.8. No obvious trend there. I mean, I guess technically I should be looking at like this compared to this if I'm gonna be like that. Hmm. 7 to 5.5 to like 3. I mean, I kind of don't want to even consider that. Like the trend sizes are I think it's overdoing technical analysis at that point. So I'm gonna think about other things now. I'm gonna look at you know what? I'm gonna look at alligator. This will really help me because I think right now I'm thinking like, is this at the end of the positive trend? And the alligator is really good at showing if it is or isn't. And like right here at the end of this trend, there was kind of like a little correction here and it hugged it. But then here, once it touches it, it's kind of over. Well, kind of like bracketed until it did it again. The same similar thing here. So, oh God. It's, I mean, it's really looking like after there's like a big trend, positive trend, there's like a little reversal and then it brackets for a little bit. So, it's like right there. Like, is it going to go up a little bit more or is it going to start going down? I think it's been on the higher end of buying pressure according to like the MACD for like a while. And I think it's kind of overdue for the majority selling pressure. So I think like there's going to be a pretty big, I think it's more likely there's going to be a downtrend soon. Yep. And let's see if I get any wisdom from this. Nothing obvious. Nothing I didn't already know. So I think I might go short here. Um, let's just slap a short position on here and just think about things. So I think it could go up another, I don't know, how much is this? 1%? How much is this one? I think it could, there we go. I think it could maybe do something like that at the most before it reverses. And then when if it comes back down to be honest, like right here to this resistance instead of this support, because if it's like changing from positive trends to negative trends, you want to start looking at like the most significant point kind of like in reverse, like instead of looking at the supports like how I normally do, like if these two positive trends and I was like looking at it like right here or whatever, for example, and I thought it was going to keep going up, I would set and so I would put a long position and I would set the stop loss at the support. But because I am assuming things are going to flip and it's going to start downtrending or at least a big reversal, I'm going to put the take profit at the peak here, at the resistance. And I'm going to put the stop loss. It's hard to predict. There's not really much to go off of other than just like trend size, which I already measured out to be about an extra percent, maybe at most. So, yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. Okay, let me slow this down to like that. And then, is there anything else I have to do? I don't think so. All right, let's see what happens. Oop, okay. Oh, wait, let me do this. That's fun. Okay. Oh, I just bought one. It's fine. It's whatever. Okay. Oh. Oh no. Oh. I was a little too early on my call. Oh, I was just a little too early. I knew that was coming. I knew that was coming. I called it. I called it. I did not anticipate this much. Oh my God. This is the weekend. I didn't look. I didn't look at the day. Wait. Wait. Wait a minute. Wait, what was the day? What was the day? The 22nd. Hold up. Why is this December 30th? On the calendar thing, it showed that it wasn't like a Friday. It was like the middle of the week. That's why I didn't even think about it. Wait, why is it the 30th? I got scammed. Whatever. My technical analysis was still on point though. I'm so mad at myself because I should have looked to see that that was a Friday, and that makes a lot of sense that all the like it's building up. This momentum is building up over the weekend, and that it would be higher because I did anticipate for it to go higher a little bit, but with the power of the weekend building up, there's gonna be a pretty big, like a pretty juicy next candle. So I probably would have put my stop loss maybe a little bit higher, but actually to be honest, I would have just said, no, I'm not trading. I'm waiting till Monday. And so I would have waited for the next candle and then I would have put up my short position. Damn it, I was right too. I was right. All right, maybe, maybe. All right, from here, let me try to like redeem myself, I guess. Even though I feel like I don't need to because I got nothing to prove. Let me make this a 2-for-1. Okay, now that this has happened, I would wait. So like that, I mean, I would this trade would have canceled like right here. So that trade's over like right here. And then I would wait another candle. I need some more information. Okay, now what's up? I need this to get out of the way. Okay. There's this. I can't get over it. I can't get over it. I need to take a walk or something. Okay. I think at this point, am I confident? Okay, so I'm asking myself right now, am I confident enough to go in short here? Because I think there's definitely going to be a correction because that was such a big sell-off. There's got to be a correction. No, honestly, I'm just kind of uncomfortable at this point. I don't, even though I think it's going to go down. I think I should go short because I'm looking at the facts. I'm shook. That's why I'm scared to go in right now because I'm shook because I got the last bit wrong. I need to take my own advice and like relax and think about what's going to happen next because you can make money whether it goes up, doesn't move, or goes down. So right now, what I think is going to happen, I think there's going to be a small positive correction. Oh, God. What scares me is this support right here. It's so close to this. This might be the new support. Oh, it's so like I can't like okay. The sellers are overdue for like owning Roblox right now. The sellers are overdue. It's been it's been a bear market for a little too long, I'd say MACD wise. Compared to like see how long this is compared to like how long this was when it was a well, I mean wait, what did I just say? It's been a bull market. I think I said bear. It's been a bull market about as long as when it was like a bear market, and it's about as long as when it was a bull market, and also about as long as when it was a bear market here. This was a little bit longer, but so like I think the bull market is over. I think I said bear earlier, my bad. uh so you know what? You know what? No, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait because I need to know if it's gonna cross this or not. Because if it crosses this support, then it's gonna start downtrending. But if it doesn't, if it starts going back up right now, that might just be a small correction. So I think I'm actually gonna have to wait like 2 candles because I want to know, is it gonna go above this? I need to know. Okay, for me to make a trade, I need to know, is it gonna go above this resistance or is it gonna go below the support? And then from there, I can decide, okay, am I going long or am I going short? That's what I'm gonna do. Okay. It's like right there. Oh God. So it's gonna be a couple more. I didn't. I didn't expect this. I thought it was gonna be within a couple candles, but it's still. It still hasn't been satisfied. It hasn't gone below this or above that, and I need that to happen in order to trade. There we go. Wait. Yeah. 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 Okay. It's time to go short. Um. It hit that. Let's go short. I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to say something like this. I'll go a little higher. I'll go up to this. These three. Yeah. I'm pretty confident it's going to go down, so I'm going to have my stop loss a little higher than like the average of these three right here. And then right here, next time it might be challenged, might be like right here. So I'm going to put my take profit around here, be a little conservative. Boosh. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, hold on. Let me take a second to think about this. Whoa, I said stop. Yeah, I'm gonna hold. Nope, I'm out. I'm selling my position right now. I'm closing my position. I don't like this like momentum happening right here, and I don't like these two candles being positive. The price action has shown that like it's channeling up. And this could just be a small correction. I mean, it happened like right here, but we still had negative momentum right here. We still had like more sellers rallying the price down, but here we're starting to see the selling pressure becoming less, and that's too many signals for positive trends, so I'm out. So what is this? This was like a 0.3% gain, but this would have been a call credit spread, so depends on the value of the options that I didn't look up, so I don't know what the actual gain would have been, but it would have been a little bit, but honestly, not enough to make up for this 1%. Or wait, well, not enough to make up for this loss, because this loss also would have been a call credit spread. That's what I would have done. If you don't remember what those are, you can refer back to the episode where I go over the option strategies, where I talked about the call credit spreads, put credit spreads, selling puts, and short iron condors. I think that's all I talked about, pretty much. So yeah, if you need a refresher on that, go rewatch that episode. But yeah, okay. Let's see if I got out at a good time. I think this is when I would have got. Oh, I should have used a little. Whatever. Okay, let's go again. Let's see. I would have been out. I'm gonna sell right here. Close. I mean. Oh, you douchebag market. It's still like pretty much at the same. I don't feel too bad. Okay, and at this point, I'm pretty sure it's about to. So you know what? I don't feel bad about getting out here. Like, there was no rationality for me to wait longer. It doesn't make any sense for me to wait longer. Like, yeah, I could have like made a little bit more, but right now it's pretty clear it's about to go positive. So actually, I would probably buy. Okay, so real quick, I would buy. I'd buy right now. Let's see what would happen. Let's see. I didn't even set a. I didn't set a stop loss or take profit. I just knew that I would buy there, and I was too lazy to set a drawing. Let's say I would. I would have sold before when the candle was still red when the price was down here, to be honest. That would have been a tiny little gain. But the concepts were there. The main point of these practices is to talk about concepts and talk about big things. Like I'm not actually trading here, so there's some wisdom. I hope you learned quite a bit. I mean, probably the most important part of trading, at least to me, is not like when to get in. It's definitely when to get out. Because like that's just something that a lot of people don't think about, and it kind of like drives me insane when I'm like, I don't know, I'll be out and about and I'll be talking to people, be like, "Oh, you trade? Oh, yeah, yeah." And they're like, "Oh, what are you thinking?" I'm like, "Oh, I trade this and that." I'm like, "What are you trading right now?" And then they're like, "Oh, yeah, I was thinking about, maybe buying I don't know, buying Pepsi." And I'm like, "Oh, like, oh, why do you think you're going to buy a Pepsi? When are you going to get out?" I'll always ask that. Like, when do you think you're going to get out? Or when are you going to get in and when are you going to get out? And they're like, I think now's like a good time to get in, or like, oh, I've been in for a couple months now or something. Like, when are you gonna get out? And it's like, uh, there's no answer. So it's incredibly important. I mean, that's the answer comes with setting a stop loss and a take profit, and then reassessing that like per candle, pretty much like every candle forward, you pretty much have to like reset your stop loss and take profit, because there's new information. Why wouldn't you update it with new information, so I hope you enjoyed this practice episode. I'm still pretty salty about this, how I was like so right but just so almost perfectly right. It was, I got like, that's like getting a 99 on a test out of 100, and it's just like, oh. All right, anyways, hope you enjoyed this episode. See you on the next one.